Believed every word you spoke, thought everything was alright. But my friends saw you at a club when you swore you'd vanished away. Now my head is spinning around and I'm not sure what to say. Honestly, I'm caught off guard. Why were you there alone? All the trust I built in you is now dangerously thrown. Could you have lied to me? Or is there some twist I don't see? My heart's pounding anxiously, yearning for clarity.